I don't think the chicken was free range, was it?
No, I don't think it was.
But they do have a whole blog about animal welfare, blah blah blah. Animal welfare.
Well, animal.
Is Gousto actually healthy?
Bone apple tea.
So, do you think it's healthy?
This looks healthy. I'm not looking at it and going like, oh, this is horrendous.
No, I think it's quite well, it's 376 calories.
Something like that, 300, it's like late 300s,
I
yeah.
would have thought it was more because of the cream cheese and stuff. Like, this is like quite a luxurious meal for me. And knowing that it's not that many calories and it's got a mixture of, it's quite balanced, it's got a good balance.
And it's like, I'd say there's quite a good balance of like, there's not loads of carbs. Like with HelloFresh, I remember we had like so much rice.
This is like half.
I'd say like it's 1.5 potatoes each, which is like,
that's not many.
That's fine. And it's 2 or 5 a day.
Spinach, protein, tomatoes, obviously very good super fruit, not vegetable. Packed with vitamins, and you got your fibre from your potato skins as well.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Makes it crispy as well. I think this is definitely like it's not a huge portion, but it's quite bulky. Like the potatoes filling, chicken is filling. The sauce is rich, so like, you don't actually need a lot of it. You wouldn't. If you're a bloke, you probably would want a bit more.
Yeah.
But I think
they can get away with eating more.
Yeah, but I think this is pretty good portion. Yeah, I think it's quite a balanced mixture of recipes. It's good. It has the calories, amount of calories for each recipe, so you can easily pick which one.
They also have Joe Wick's approved recipes on their website, which is really good. So you can pick ones that are more, if you're a bit more conscious about your health, you can choose ones that...
They make it very easy. They have the categories, which I found was super great. Like it's so specific. Like for all the categories for healthy choices, calorie counting, gluten-free, vegetarian, blah, 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 blah. Literally all of it. So you can very easily just click on which category you want and all the recipes are there for you. So very, very straightforward and simple. That was great.